Ko ia te toa eke wira tahi o te ao. I naia nei kua puta te reo whakatū patoa Christian Huriwai mo ngā tūkinotanga o te wai i tēnei wā hararei. Ko ia tētahi i tata toromi i te rā tuatahi o tēnei tau, i tētahi one i Kaipara i te tai Tokerau. Te kaumawha kiromita i te tonga o Glinks Gully. Kei a Roihana Nuri ngā whakamārama.
Ahakoa he toa tākoro ia o te ao, I tata toromi a Chris Huriwai I te taikaha o Hine Moana.
Rip pulled us out and then chucked us into some really, really heavy waves. And they were just really constant, really big. As soon as one wave would hit you and you try to come up for air, another wave would hit you and you just have to get forced back under the water without getting any air at all.
I pau katoa tōna kaha ki te whawhai I te ia o te tai, I aia me tana hoa e kauhoi ana ki te moana o Kaipara, I te ata o te rā tuatahi o te tauhou.
I had to tell him to let me go, and he realised how serious I was. Otherwise, he would have kept with me, I'm sure, but it was just dead 100% seriousness. I was like, hey man, you have to leave me, I'm going to die here.
I honestly thought he was gone. When I left him, I was just thinking, my friend's gone pretty much the whole way back.
I ngana tana hoa ki te awhi I aia kia tai rāua tahi ki tātahi, engari auare ake.
Like the brief moment we had when I saw him in the water telling me to leave him and how serious he was, I just knew it was probably the right thing to do because we couldn't both die.
Nā wai rā ka hoki ia ki uta, engari I hinga mauri moi ia ki runga I te one pū.
I was just telling him, you have to get to the sand, you have to get to the sand. It's not over yet. And we got to the sand and then the truck came by.
Ka taraiwa tētahi tangata I te tokorua rā ki te nohoanga o Glinks Gully. Ka tai ki reira, wai maria ana he waia tā te whānau Duratich. Me te mea nei, he kai taraiwa waka tūroro o mua tēnei kai noho.
We had him on the recovery position and just talked to him and brought him around and slowly, but he was pretty well out.
Kei te waimari e tēnei hautupua he rā no tāna ki te whawhai kia pupuri I aia tana taitara o te ao. Mō naia nei kei te kāinga o ōna mātua ia e whakangāna. Roihana Nuri, Te Karere.